Hello everyone, welcome. My name is BadCode. How's everybody doing? Yeah, we're back with another video. Today we will be talking about PS dispatch, that notification thing that appears on Right when crime or not so legal stuff happens, and it appears on the upper right of a police officer's screen. We will be showing how to also add this on the alerts on other scripts. Pretty easy. And even though it doesn't say that is for QBox, since QBox still has the bridge for qbcore, it works perfectly fine. So we're going to show you how it's done and how to configure a few things. But before we do, again, thank you for all the support. If you really do like the video, leave a like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. So let's get to this. Let's go to your PS server. First off, we need PS dispatch. You can do a search. I don't know what I just did. Do a search on your Google PS dispatch. It's usually the first one. This is the one that goes directly to PS dispatch. If you want to check out other works, there is also a PS projectsloth.org, which is the creator. Check that out. There's a lot more scripts he does that could be awesome for you to install. If you guys want more of Project Sloth, other things, leave it down in the comment section down below and I'll see if I can do it. So first off, go to your to the GitHub of Project Sloth /PS dispatch. Even though it says qbcore, don't worry, it should work right off the bat. These are the messages that appear. You can, I'm not sure if you can change color. We'll check that out in the configuration part. We're all going to install this. We can also change the language. If yours is not English, you can change this to any other one. You have to put this in your config file, but we'll get to that. These are the alerts you have to put on your other scripts. For example, if you have a car boost, there's one for car boosting right here. You're probably going to add this in the alert section of that script. We'll show you a very simple way to do this in a few seconds. So download it, click code, download, zip. Save the file in your download directory. When it's done, okay, let's open this directory, put it over here so we know where it is. You can do many things. You can create a directory in your resources, or you can do what I do, is create one of these directories and everything inside will be read. I've already created a PS. This is, for example, if you want to install more than one Project Sloth, you can just put them all in here and you know they're in there. So we go in here. This is a little thing I do to test dispatch, and this will also be used to explain how you should add it in your script. So open this file, check if it's the main one. If it is, just copy it over. You should remove the minus main. We don't need that. And you install it. That's it. There is a README if you guys want to check it out and all that. There's not much to see here. What's here is what you see online. This is also a new alert thing. You can create a new alert. We can show you that also. And But we'll do this at the end. But for now, since you've placed your PS dispatch in your resource folder, you can close this. We're gonna probably open a new Visual Studio, so this can be way faster. Just drag it over here. Again, you are responsible for your server. I am not responsible for any errors you do, so be careful, make backups and all that. So what we're only gonna do is go into your shared folder and check out your config. Let's make this a little bit bigger. This is a config file. You can change keys if you want to debug and see what's happening. Short call, what is this? Short call. Dispatch notifications are sent containing only the alert name. Oh, meaning, okay. This is, instead of appearing, let me see if I can see it. All of this, it just this section right here appears. The officer down. It doesn't show any text or anything like that, but I would suggest keeping it as. The response key, if you do press E when the alert is up, it will mark it on your map. You can change the key if you want. I'm not sure if the key works changing. Test it out. Most of these things have the key here, but sometimes they don't work. I'm assuming they do. Open this match menu. I'm assuming this opens the list on the right side, but we can check it. The alert time. Specify the duration for the alert. This is the number of seconds it will stay up on the right. This is the number maximum that appears here. If you have more than 25, you're probably having a hacker and he or she is messing up the whole system. You can set this to only show when the police officer or EMS is on duty. This is also for EMS. These are the jobs that are associated with this. For example, if a gangster had this, you can put a gangster here, but that's not what we want. Alert command cooldown. This is, for example, you're firing shots in the middle of the Legion Square. Every time you fire a shot, alert will be alerted. But this is the cooldown. You can fire shots for around 59 seconds. It won't randomly, or it won't always appear the alert. This alert will only appear every 60 seconds in that situation. This one right here. This is probably so. Okay, this I was wrong. This right here is the maximum amount of alerts it will save in memory. Here are the 5 alerts that will appear on here on the right. Test it out. You can place more, but I wouldn't change anything here. You can, in the alerts, these are the alerts that you can turn certain alerts off if you want. If you don't want shooting to be alerted, you can turn it off. Theft, punching, player down, same thing. Just leave as is. After this, you shouldn't alter a lot because everything that's here for default is good. I don't think you need to change anything. Let me see if there's anything else on here. These are the icons. You can change the icons if you want for each type of alert. Sign robbery, sus activity, You can change the sprite. I've already explained this. If I check here, if you want to know what the blimps, just search for 5M blips. And here you go. You can change it to any one of these. And there's a different part right here. You can also change, these are the colors. I'm not sure if these are for the alerts or for the icons, but I'm thinking it's for the alerts. I haven't tested out 100% everything. But mostly what you're going to mess around is right here. You're not going to change much more than this. So let's restart. I don't think we need to restart the server, but you should. If we go PS dispatch, oh, we have to reload here. Get start. Okay, it should be on. Since you're a PD, if you're gonna shoot to see if the alert works, it's not gonna work. Because there is a little if situation that stops it from happening. Let me see where it is. I think it's in the client. Alerts. Let me see if I can find it. No, it's not here. Also not here. It should be event handling. Yeah, here it is. For example, if you're a PD, if you're the one shooting, if you're offline, off duty, it won't show it. If you are the police, it won't show it either. So if you want to see if the alerts are working as if you're a PD, you should comment these lines, but I would probably suggest you make a little script for this is an event handling in client section of dispatch. This is so if a police officer starts shooting, it won't appear on his thing, on his right notification thing. If you want, you can comment these out. If you're the PD doing the stuff. The second way I would probably do it is to create a little script using the commands that appear on where is it? Right here. These commands. Let me just check just to make sure it is. Nope, not there. There. Let's minimize that. And minimize it. Okay. This is the little script I made. You do have to have an FX manifest. If you want, I can leave it down in Discord. But as you can see, there's car boosting. Let's choose one that's train robbery. What the hell? Let's choose train robbery also. When you have other scripts and you want dispatch to alert, you have to put this in that alert section, depending on the type of alert you want. Let's put this train robbery. Okay, so we just have to change this to train. Let's put just train. Okay, if we write these commands, it will use the alert. These are the things you have to use, as I said before, in the scripts for example, car boostings, or maybe a script for jewelry heist, or any other thing, vehicle theft, yacht heist, whatever. We will also create one just to see if it works also. So we've created these three. I do have to refresh this. Let's put just this patch in. Okay, we're gonna restart that. We're gonna restart this. We're gonna go back to the game. As you can see, all three of those tests are right here. So let's try test this patch. Let's write it right. Train. Boom. As you can see on the right, it alerts. Let's write the next one. Shooting. I don't know why the other one didn't do a beep. Probably it's not supposed to. Car boosting. So it is working. As I said, if you're a police officer and you start shooting, the alerts will not appear. I think I am a police officer. Let me just check. Job. Yeah, LSPD. So I am a police officer. As you can see, the alert does not appear. But, again, don't do this. This is just to show that it does work. There is another thing you should do so it appears faster. Like I said, this is just for testing grounds. Just put this at 10 seconds, or even 5. Go back to the, restart it. Go back to the game. As you can see, there it is. It's appearing. It's a 10-second delay. So as you can see, it's working perfectly fine on QBox. That is because there is a bridge. There is a bridge for qbcore, or also it wouldn't work. So this is something that probably in the future, when QBox removes the qbcore bridge, this will stop working. As for the creating new alerts, let's go back to your VPS server. As it says here, you can create an alert. I'm assuming it's already there. Just open your this whole thing on your VS. Head for alerts. I would probably suggest adding it at the end or wherever. But actually, there's already one here. This custom alert, you can change it to wherever you want, but we want the test alert. So usually go to the end. Just make a little section, my alerts. Paste whatever you copied. Instead of being test alert, call it, I don't know, my alert. Remember, if you're using my alert here, you should put all the same commands over all in the rest. Local message. Wait a minute. you do have to add this to your local, where is it? English, right here. This should be a local test somewhere. Control F. Test. Actually, there isn't. Let's see. Leave it as local test. You're also getting a little class of how to do this also. Comma here, don't forget the comma at the end of that one. This one doesn't need one, but test alert. Let's call it my alerts. Save it. Save this. Go back to your alerts. You can change these things if you want. This also happens if it's a alert for the PD. In the jobs, you should put alert Leo. If it's for EMS, you should put EMS. So just a check here. I'm assuming that's it. This gets the information of the vehicle and the coordinates if there is a vehicle. We'll test it out if the vehicle works or not. So we've created a my alerts. So let's go to our alert thing. Copy this. Create it, then dispatch my alert and copy my alert, paste my alert. So save everything, save your PS dispatch, save your this little. I'm going to save it, but you can create your own. It's already saved. Restart both. Go back into your game. Test. Dispatch my alert. Boom. There it is. Your new alert. So, as you can see, it is pretty simple. We will also be adding very soon PS MDT, which is also a very awesome thing that most servers have. I'm not sure, I haven't tested it 100%, but I'm assuming that one MDT will work for both PD and EMS. But we'll get to that in the new video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again for all the support. It's been amazing. Oh, let's put the gun away. It's been amazing. Really loving it. We're almost at 400. We're almost there. Our objective is to get to 500 before the end of the year. I believe we can, but it's still all up to you. So again, thank you all for the support. It is much appreciated. I am trying to get back to this. There are already 5 videos in the mix. This one was the first one. Here's what's coming. I'll show you this. I think you guys can see it. Yeah. Here's what's coming. So there you go. All that is being made. The clothing part, I'm not sure if it's going to be the next one. I kind of got stuck with the female section. The male section works perfectly fine. The female section is a little confusing. I'm trying to figure out most of that. MDT, also something that will probably be the next one. I'm not sure. The police one, wow, I went into that, and it is a very good script. It is a big, humongous script that you can take advantage if you want to add things to it. That's why I didn't do it yet, because that one's a big one. And there will also be a QBox Garage Part 2, or in this case extras, where we explain how to add gangs, PDs, EMS, and jobs if you want. So that'll be another one, pretty awesome. And housing, I don't know, that will be the last video I'll probably add of that group. I'm still investigating. I'm not sure if we're going to use the one that came with QBox, because I really don't understand that one. I've been around it for a while, so we're probably going to do another install. So that is it. Thank you all for stopping by. What's up? Again, thank you all for the support. It is amazing. I will try to be back with another video. Probably put it down to 2 a week, because I do have more time now. If you guys have any suggestions, comments, why you liked the video, why you didn't like the video, place them all down below. I do love criticism. Good criticism, not just saying, I didn't like it, yeah. That's not criticism. I like criticism that says, okay, you should have done it that way, or something like that. That is way better. That way I learn, and I make you guys even happier, guys and gals. So leave a like if you did enjoy the video, subscribe, and click that notification. All these steps really do help. I will start also placing my videos somewhere else. I can't say here. YouTube doesn't let me. And see how it goes. So again, thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.